There's a vegetable in the garden. There's a lot of insects. The chili now in the market is so expensive, and we have this. We have our own, but we don't really like having it, so it's just there. Neighbor can have it too. They want. Yeah, surprise! We have this pumpkin squash. It's a big one. That one, and the other one. Yeah, here. So actually, there are 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. There's some butterfly. We have this pineapple. No fruits yet. There's a small one. This one and apples. And a lot of them. So we have mini garden here in our backyard. That's my party. After 3 days, this is how big now. I took a video before and it's real small, and after 3 days there was a maze. It's like this. The rest of them is here. 1 and 2. I think my mom took the other one. There are 3 before, and now it's just 2 left. Amazing! They're hanging squash. Nice, isn't it? I think they're ready to harvest. Look at this shield. There are a lot of them. Rain is have rained before, so it's rainy season, so the chili is growing, I guess. And the fruits and artists, I wait for them to be ripe, but not yet. So my mom trying to plant a watermelon, and in fairness, she has something in her shoot. A lot of ones. Maybe that's sweet because it's a lot of ones. It has a lot of ones. So that's the watermelon. That's the watermelon. The only one. My mom said that they have 2 before, and the other one is lost, gone. So probably my brother eat it already. This is the harvest that we have. We call it Santol. I think this is cotton. I forgot the name of this one, but it's actually so sweet. It's different from the other fruits. The other like this, that it's sour. This is sour sauce, I think, but this one is so nice. So, got it. I found this mushroom. Look. This is in our backyard. This how do you call this, papaya growing. This is our little garden. This one is a sweet potato. That's the garden of my mom. This one, put tomatoes starting to grow up. This one is beans, string beans. So she grew it as well. I'm not sure about this. I think this is look like a watermelon. I don't know. Not sure. We have Santol. This one has calamansi but no fruits yet. This one is starting to have flowers. This is a type of fruit as well. We call it